Hi everybody, this is Chris with Hotspot Metals in Chicago. Tonight I'd like to have you learn a little bit about the Relative Strength Index before you pull out your wallet and buy silver or gold. This is going to be really quick, so pay attention. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go to hotspotmetals.com. You're going to click on Live Charts. And then you're going to get a quick update on what the Relative Strength Index is. Okay, here we are. The Relative Strength Index is a momentum oscillator. And as we know, every stock, bond, and commodity oscillates up and down the chart. As it moves up or down, it oscillates. So what we want to do is we want to find out where in that oscillation we are. Because if we're at the top of the oscillation and it looks like it's coming back down, maybe we should wait and we can save a little bit of money and buy at the bottom of that dip. So the Relative Strength Index is one of these momentum oscillators. Now it measures the speed and change of price movements. So as the price moves up, sometimes it gets a little tired and it has to take a little rest and come back down. This is called momentum. And it also measures the speed of that change. So the oscillator goes between 0 and 100, 50 of course being the middle, but your stock, bond, or commodity is considered overbought at 70 or above, or oversold below 30. So these are the two levels we want to look at, 70 and 30. And of course, it's going to vary by what kind of investment you're looking at. But we're going to use gold as an example so I can show you how to do it on the chart. But after that, you should be able to go and look at silver and check it out for yourself. Silver is my favorite metal, and I think it's got the most potential for increased value because I think it's very undervalued compared to gold. But we're going to use gold because it's got a nice steady chart. It doesn't swing as wildly as silver. I'm going to let you make your own decision about silver by using this chart. Are we at the top of an oscillation or at the bottom? First of all, the 15-minute chart that comes up by default is just there for fun. We have to at least back out to the daily chart and then even zoom out from there, because there's two trends that I want to show you first, just simple trend lines. I'm going to go back to the 16th of August of 2018, and we have one line that goes like this. We just connected the very bottom we made on the 18th of August to the bottom that we made in November of 18, and it's still going in the right direction. It's still up. Then we have a more aggressive move that starts back there in November and seems to be following this line. Now, I would love to think that it's going to continue to follow this more 45-degree angle than the 30-degree angle, but they're both up, and this whole trend or motion could reach back down and touch this lower trend line. It always can. The way we know it's going to do that is if it breaks this trend line right here that's a little bit more aggressive. So the direction is up. It's all good, but you do want to time your purchase if you can, because you can save a lot of money. These are all oscillations, the ups and downs. Now, if I want to show the RSI indicator on this chart, I'm going to click on this little wavy line, type in RSI, or scroll down to Relative Strength Index, and voila. This shaded area here is our RSI indicator, and it is normalized to show a number between 0 and 100 that shows you the relative strength of the movement. Now, our oscillations down on gold, if you can see where the crosshairs are here, they all tend to start to head back up around 37 or 38. If we look at the upper bound of these oscillations and try to look at the most common turning point to head back down, that oscillation top is around 62 or 63. This is on a daily basis. Look where we are right now. We are at about 59 or 60. So I would be putting my wallet away right now and waiting on gold, because I want that relative strength indicator to get down here at least to that sweet spot around 50, maybe below. I'm just not going to buy right here, and the difference can be a lot. Right now we are at 13.19. Down here below that, I mean, we could be back down at 1300 again. Take a little touch point there. Look at this. See where this was at where the RSI was 35 down here. I'm looking in the pink area. Now let's go up and see where that was. 1286. So you get down here to 1286. Look at that relative strength indicator. If it's in that high 30s range for gold, this is the behavior of this commodity, then it might be time to add some more gold. I'm going to let you go ahead and look at silver, because I don't want you to miss out on all this charting fun. Anyway, that is the relative strength indicator. It'll save some money. And this is Chris with Hotspot Metals signing off.